Welcome students to computer science class. So this chapter has gone on for a really long time and it finally ended. You have learned quite a lot of basics of Python. You all have learned variables, operators, you all have learned data types, you all learned functions, you all learned dynamic typing, typecasting. So now it's time for us to go to write down some question answers in our notebook. So I have put together some questions. I will read out the questions. You can use the textbook to find the answer and copy the answer down in your notebook. Write the question and write the answer, both. All right, let's start. These are 1-mark questions, so the answers should not be more than 1 or 2 lines maximum. What is character set? What is token? List the types of tokens. What is keyword? What is an identifier? And give a suitable example. What is a literal? What is a string? What is a single line string? What is a multi-line string? What is EOL? I had told you all this in one of the videos. You might have to go back and see some videos all over again to get an answer. What is an escape sequence? And what is a Boolean literal? I repeat these questions. What is a character set? What is a token? List the types of tokens. What is a keyword? What is an identifier? And give suitable examples. What is a literal? What is a string? What is a single line string? What is a multi-line string? What is EOL? What is an escape sequence? And what is Boolean literal? Continuing, what is none? What is an operator? What is unary operator? What is binary operator? You will find these answers in your textbooks. We haven't covered this in detail. We will do it in the next class. I know writing the answers before we do it, this is not difficult answers. So you will find the 1-line answer and write it down. You are doing 1-mark questions only. So I'm not going to omit these because if not now, you're going to do it later. List the shift operators. List the bitwise operators. What is an assignment statement? What is punctuators? What is comment? And what is white space? And what is statement? I repeat, what is none? What is an operator? What is a unary operator? What is a binary operator? List the shift operators. List the bitwise operators. What is an assignment statement? What is punctuators? What is comment? What is white space? And what is statement? Moving on to again 1-line answers. Whether Python uses statement termination? If yes, justify your answer. Statement termination is at the end of every code, every sentence of code. Are we putting any special symbol? No, we are not. What is the maximum line length in a Python program? This you will search on the Google or you will search on in your textbooks and you will find the answer and write. What is block? What is code block? And what is code? This is related to indentation in the program. Again, search for the answer in your textbook and write. What do you mean by case-sensitive language? This I had shown you all with a live example. What is a variable? What is L value? What is R value? What is an assignment statement? This comes again, so you can skip it. And what is dynamic typing? I repeat, what is variable? What is L value? What is R value? What is an assignment statement? And what is dynamic typing? This brings us an end to 1 mark questions. There are around 33 1 mark questions. That means 33 sentences only. Okay. Now we are going to 2 mark questions, and these you are going to write in a few lines. Explain the character set of Python. You're going to explain. Before we just had to write it in 1 line, here you're writing in 2 lines. What are the types of tokens supported in Python language? Write any 4 keywords of Python language. What are the types of literals? Explain Boolean literals. What are relational operators? Don't do the question 6. What are the types of assignment statements? What is the general structure or general format or syntax of a Python language, Python code? Now over here, again, question number 4 will be a repeat, so you can skip it. Okay, and yeah, all else you will do. You're not doing question number 4 and question number 6 in this page. What are the types of comments? Explain with suitable examples. Explain with a diagram. This is very important. Explain with a diagram how a variable refers to a memory location. While dealing with dynamic typing, what caution must be taken care of? Explain with a suitable example. This was about mismatching a string with the wrong operator, division. When I say x equals to 2, which is a string, or x equals to a, and then I say y equals to a divided by 2, it will give me an error. Now these are 3 mark questions, so these you will write in paragraph format. What are the Python naming conventions? Explain the representation of string in Python language. How is string represented in a Python language? Explain the types of strings supported by Python language. Explain escape sequences. No, you can skip question 4. Explain numerical literals supported in Python language. Explain the floating point literals supported in Python language. You can skip question 7 again. Question 8 can also be skipped. What is input function? Write down the general format of input function and explain with proper example. What is print function? Write down the general format of a print function and explain with a proper example. So with this, I'm ending my class right here because I want you to spend the rest of the time writing these answers down. I know it's a big chunk of work, but considering I'm not giving a lot of writing work in the past, I don't expect you all to complain. Yes, and I'm not giving you all a deadline that completed by so-and-so date. I expect you all to do it over this weekend so that on Monday class, I can give you other written work. Okay, today is Friday and I'm closing this class under 10 minutes. So you have quite a lot of class time and you have 2 days to sit and write these answers down. I give you one small, I'm being lenient in one small thing. The 2 or the 3 mark questions, do those. 2 mark questions, do those. The 1 mark questions, just mark in your textbook. I repeat, 2 mark questions and 3 mark questions, do in your notebook. But 1 mark questions, you will just highlight the answers in your textbook. Okay, with this, I end today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and keep learning. Thank you.